Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to a social studies class. Let's revise chapter number 14, our mineral resources, concept number 2. So let's begin. Children, in this concept, we will be learning about types of the minerals, which are number 1, metallic, and number 2, non-metallic minerals. We will be reading very important points which we have already done in the live classes. All the very best. Now let's start with the definition of minerals. As we know, minerals are natural substances found in rocks, and we know that minerals are broadly divided into two parts. Number first is metallic and number second is non-metallic. Now, as you all know that metallic minerals are the minerals from which we get metals are known as metallic minerals. Now children, when you will be writing the differentiate between metallic minerals, make sure that you are writing the word minerals first, because if you will write metals from which we get minerals, then it will be wrong, which is a common mistake which you all were doing in the live classes also when I was asking you the oral question. Now the second point is that iron, copper, manganese, bauxite and gold are some examples of metallic minerals. Number third point, the ores that we get from the mines are melted in big factories to produce pure metals. So these are the important points of metallic minerals, children. Please make sure that you are revising the concept properly. Let's move further to non-metallic minerals. Minerals from which we do not get metals are called non-metallic minerals. Now, what are the examples? Examples are limestone, precious stones, salt, coal, and petroleum are some examples of non-metallic minerals. So children, let's study about coal and petroleum, which we have already covered in chapter number 9, our industries. Coal and petroleum are non-metallic minerals. They are also called exhaustible resources or non-renewable resources. Children, this concept we have studied in chapter number 11, our natural resources. I have also told you in the live classes that coal and petroleum are synonyms, are having many synonyms, okay? So they can be called exhaustible resource, they can be called non-renewable resource, they can be also called non-metallic minerals. They are found deep inside the earth, okay? And this quantity of coal and petroleum is limited and they take thousands of years to get renewed. Remember children, coal is used as fuel to generate electricity and in factories and steam engines. Okay, so some important coal mining centers are Jharia, Dhanbad and Bokaro in Jharkhand. Children, this concept you have already studied in chapter number 5, the Southern Plateaus. Now, the second place is Raniganj in West Bengal and the third place is Korba in Chhattisgarh. Now, let's read about petroleum. Children, petroleum is also known as black gold. This we have studied in chapter number 11, our natural resources. Now, a new concept is that a new name is given to petroleum, which is known as mineral oil. So, children, petroleum is used to make petrol and diesel to run vehicles such as cars, buses, scooters, ships, and aeroplanes. Now, children, wells are drilled deep inside the earth to reach the oil. A very important fact which is written in this box is given on your screen, that coal and petroleum are important non-metallic minerals. They are used as fuel, therefore they are also called mineral fuels or fossil fuels. Let's move further children and let me ask you one question. Can you tell me the differences between metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals? Children, from the exam point of view, this is a very important question. So please think and learn the difference between. Okay? So let's study differences between metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals? This is the time to think. Now, the first difference is that minerals from which we get metals are called metallic minerals. Minerals from which we do not get metals are called non-metallic minerals. Now, the second point is iron, copper, manganese, bauxite, and gold are some examples of metallic minerals. The second point of non-metallic minerals is limestone, precious stones, salt, coal, and petroleum are some examples of non-metallic minerals. The third point, let's cover the third point. The ores are melted in big factories to produce pure metals. And the third point of non-metallic minerals is non-metallic minerals such as petroleum are refined in oil refineries to get petrol, diesel, kerosene, and cooking gas. Children, I would advise you that in the exam, if this question will come, please learn these three points each. Thank you, children. See you very soon. Can't wait to see you. Just revise the concept properly. Bye bye.